let's learn about understanding basic ratios with this example here. In a school art club, there are 7 students for every 2 teachers. Describe the ratio of students to teachers using ratio language. If the art club has 14 students, how many teachers are there? Let's go highlight the key parts here. There are 7 students for every 2 teachers. So we want to make a ratio here of students to teachers. We can write that as such, students. We put a little double dot there, and teachers. So we have students to teachers, our ratio, and they give us a number here, 7 students to 2 teachers. So for every 7 students, there are 2 teachers. So now they ask us this question. If the art club has 14 students, how many teachers are there? Well, if we have 14 students in the students column here, if we think of it as a column, we have 14, right? And how many teachers would we have as a ratio? Well, if we had 7 students for 2 teachers and we're doubling the number of students to get 14, we would double the number of teachers, and 2 times 2 would be that 4. That's our answer here would be 4 teachers. So again, if we had 14 students to keep the same ratio, we would have 4 teachers. I hope you learned something here about understanding basic ratios, and as always, thanks for watching.